This is the Kohler Studio in Hyderabad, styled with care and a lot of green by Paudhe Se Yaari. We began at the entrance, grounding the space with our signature brown belly Daichi planters. Earthy, subtle, inviting. Step inside and you'll find more than just plants. Each planter is a handcrafted piece, art with greenery. We call them artisan planters because they are designed to do more than hold a plant. They hold presence. Even the bathroom breathes. A quiet corner where we wrapped a simple tub with lush greens, letting nature and stillness meet. The greens trail, spill and weave through the space. From hanging pots to tucked away corners, it's all layered softly, intentionally. And we don't stop at styling. We are here season after season, keeping it all alive with our post-maintenance services. Paudhe Se Yaari, where plants belong, thoughtfully, beautifully, endlessly.